Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Was thankful to you all. So we are reaching more than 6,000 subscribers right now. I was thanking to you all my YouTube subscribers. This video, which I am going to make you some option trading strategy that I'm going to create on a charting. So that is for my 6,000 subscribers. And once again, thank you to you all to reach this 6,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. And this video I'm going to discuss about, or I'm going to create a charting scanner which is helping you to make a intraday option trading opportunity. That how we are going to create based on some technical indicators that I'm going to discuss in this full video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Here I'm going to give you some scanner so you can practice and you can do with your own using the scanner, and you can backtest it how it is working and other things. So here I'm going to show you the scanners and how it is the it's showing you the profitability and other things I'm going to discuss you right now. So let's move on to the video now, and once again thanks for my subscribers. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use a RSI indicator where the RSI which is crossed over and above 60. So that is what giving you such a great opportunity you are going to make an intraday trade here. So in this intraday trade, what I'm going to apply here, the ORB strategy, the opening range breakout, or a particular candle high or low breakout, which I'm going to take here right now. But here this video I'm going to talk about the bullish stocks where I'm going to find out such a great opportunity. I'm going to show you the two stocks where I got a today's opportunity. That I'm going to show you what are the stock which I'm going to taken today. Let's see, first one is Titan. So I'm going to open with option chart. Okay, so the first one is Titan. It is around 2460 call option. I'm going to do nothing on that. I'm going to do the trade, which is the high is broken, about the previous candle high is broken. I'm going to take an entry for that particular stock or the particular strike price. Today Titan were started around 2451. So the nearest to strike price. So the strike price selection is about manual. We want to know the strike price selection. The scanner will provide you only the stock. So for example, this Titan which is opened by today is 2451. So the nearest strike price which I'm going to focus is 2460 call option. So here this call option I'm going to focus a ORB strategy. Simply that is a opening range breakout. For this particular I'm using for a 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame opening range breakout, which I'm going to focus for that. Let's see what happened here. So this is the 15 minutes time frame of that particular stock which is trading 2460 call option of Titan. So why I'm selecting this and everything I will let you know, right? So here you see that it is the first 15 minutes candle where it is started by 75 and it high made a 109. So this is the candle where 109 should be the highest level and 75 should be the lowest level. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, so whenever this high is broken, I'm going to take a 109 with a stop loss of 75. So how I selected the stock, it's based on the scanners and screeners which I'm going. So after that breakout, it went up to maximum of somewhere around 122.25. It's a max. So from almost 10 rupees, it gives you the large size of this particular stock is somewhere around 375, more than 3000, and end of the day it is closed by 113.4. It is for an intraday opportunity. So there is a breakout that generate you the good profit. And the second stock which I'm going to take is Tata Communication. So that was started by 1469. So let me take 1460 call option. So should be the ATM option at the time of the while comparing to the opening price. Let's see this in a 15 minutes time frame. It is started by 40 and it is high made around 56. There is another opportunity in this particular stock. Somewhere around 56 is the high and 40 is the low. So where breakout of the next candle it is happening. So there is a buy entry around 156 with a stop loss of 40. Let's try this made around high of 108. So somewhere around more than it's a huge benefit. So more than 100%. These two stocks which I filtered based on the scanner, and I am selecting the strike price based on the opening price. The opening price is nearby strike price I am selecting for the trade. Alright, so these two stocks I got it in the morning. Then I have some other stocks which I got it after sometimes later. Let me see that what are the stock. Yeah, the another stock which I am getting at Torrent Pharma around 11 o'clock. So which I got the signal around Torrent Pharma at 11 o'clock. So where I am seeing that Torrent Pharma it is started today. So let's check it out. Torrent Pharma which is started by 3225. So we will take as a 3200 strike price. Let me try it at Torrent Pharma 3200 call. Let me show you what are the thing which I'm going to do. So this stock around 15 minutes time frame which I'm going to take a trade only at 11 o'clock. So I'm going to 10:30, 10:50. This is what exactly 11 o'clock. So here we got a opening candle. So this is the candle where I got the signal. But what I'm going to do here, whenever this high is broken, I'm going to take an opportunity and I'm keeping the stop loss below the candle low. So let me try it. What is the high? High price is 162 and the low for the trade is 133. So somewhere around 30 points is the risk for the trade. But this was triggering my entry around somewhere around 145. So after this it went up to maximum of 176 and closed by 161. Even it is also generating some kind of small profit. So that I am focusing for a intraday opportunity. This is not a carry forward trade, it is an intraday opportunity. And then is there any other trade which I got it from based on this scanner? I'm going to create now. So these are the three stocks which I got for my trade opportunity. So this is what the important thing which I'm going to focus here, how to find out this kind of stocks. And still these three stocks which is for my today's scanner. So what kind of scanner which I'm going to use? This is a simple breakout strategy you can directly do with the options that I'm going to create a scan in Chartink now. So it is nothing but it is a simple that is based on RSI, where the RSI is greater than 60. That will help me to find out such a kind of good bullish stock. So where I find out that kind of very big bullish stock, I'm going to plan such a option trading strategy in intraday basis. That I'm going to do here. So let me try to create the scanner. So what conditions which I'm going to use for that? So first thing which I'm going to apply the RSI. So the RSI, the 14 period is the normal. The default parameter is the 14 for RSI. It's greater than. I'm going to make all the scanner. So that is RSI number is 60. The first one is RSI is greater than, the daily RSI is greater than the number 60. That may be giving you bullish stocks. We have a lot more stocks today. So more than 39 stocks. So to track a 39 stocks in an intraday, it is not a quite easy. So then the daily RSI we have seen, and then we are going to make the weekly RSI. So let's go try with the RSI weekly. That is also be greater than 60. So if you are finding out the weekly RSI and the daily RSI should be greater than 60, we have again 24 stocks. So we filter out some stocks which is So somewhere around 39 to 24. We filter out 24 stocks now. Okay, so let's try with another one. So and daily RSI, weekly RSI, and then we will go for a hourly RSI. So let's copy this. So 16 minutes RSI. Let me try at latest. So we'll go for a 1 hour RSI. 1 hour RSI is greater than number 60. So if I scan that, I'll having only 18 stock, right? So I'm going to use a 15 minutes time frame. So where you see that there's a 15 minutes candle I'm using. So the breakout over and above the price of 15 minutes. So let me try with the 15 minutes candlesticks pattern. So simply we will copy this again, and we are going to use the 15 minutes RSI should be greater than the number 60. So these are the factors which I'm going to filter out. So now you see that how many stocks we got it around somewhere around 6 only. So from 39 stocks we are filtering out only 6 stocks that was generating such a kind of great bullish signal, right? So now even I'm going to filter out these stocks very minimum. So even all the parameters of RSI is greater than 60. So should give you some bullishness on that. So here we have to add some other value. So it will filter out very minimum number of stocks. So this is about the RSI is greater than weekly and daily and hourly and 15 minutes. So every time frame was the RSI we are focusing only. So it's showing you some bullish. So this is what the normal scanner. So which I am going to add something about interesting and that with the volume factor. So when the volume is more, so more player are playing with that. So even you can see a lot of stocks: IDFC, Idea Cellular, Titan, Torrent Pharma, Persistence, and MPSs. So 6 stocks. So to focus on 6 stocks, it's not a easy one, but we can try to do it. So let me try it out. What are the stocks? And even I'm not going to focus for IDFC and Idea Cellular because it is a very less volume, less value stock. Not focusing for option trade. So let me try with the volume factor. So let's volume. The latest volume should be greater than the volume of 1 days ago. So the volume also playing major role while we are playing with the options. So can we see that only the stock which is we got it around IDFC, Idea Cellular, Titan, and Torrent Power. Now you got the idea how I am getting that particular list of stocks. So which I shown in your Torrent Titan, Torrent Pharma, and another one is it's not here. That is what the stock which is Tata Communications. Let I show you how to do it and how to use this scanner. And if I filter out with the number of the volume should be more than or the price value should I if I add it. So for example, the close the latest close is greater than. So you can use 100. So it will filter out the stock which is only above 100. So if you have done it, so we got only Titan and Torrent Pharma. So if I don't want this condition, so I will filter out. So I will, if you scan this, I will get it 4 stocks today. Let me try what happened in these stocks. Right. So I'm going to play with the option trading on this basis of this filter. I'm going to plan an option trading. So how I'm going to select a strike price, and after selecting a strike price, how I'm going to place the orders, and with how can I make a stop loss and target, other things we will learn here. So this one, okay. So we'll save the scan. So intraday option trading, can we go it? So intraday ready option it's by thanks for subscribing my YouTube channel. So we are reaching more than 6,000 subscribers right now. I was thanking you all. So intraday option breakout trades based on the scanner. So if you are saved the scan, so then only we will getting the back test. So can you able to see that back test? So it is every 15 minutes back test. Let we see, it is around 9 9:15, 9:30, and then 9:45. So all the backtest scanner will be on 15 minutes time frame. Every 15 minutes, is there any stock which is forms in this particular pattern, so it will be coming onto the scanner. So initially at 9:15, so you need to check around 9:30. So what are the stock which is present? Let me see. These are the 4 stocks we got at 9:15. So now I got it. These are the stocks at 9:15. Let's find first. We'll find out Titan. So let me add a equity. So let me first add equity Titan. So let me try it. The Titan is open around 2447 in the morning. So if I'm going to plan a trade, so the opening price of the Titan is 2447. So it's near about strike price is 2460 or 2440. These are my nearby strike price. I'm going to focus the first 15 minutes over. I'm going to focus breakout on the particular candle. So this is what the candle where it forms the first 15 minutes. Once it is high broken, I'm going to buy. So this is giving you somewhere around 3500 plus in today's scenario, where if you are playing with the options. And the second stock which we have already seen, that is what the second stock which we got, it is Tata Communication. So let me try with the Tata Communications. What I want here, Tata Communications. So this was started by 1407. If you want to take, so you can try with the 1400 call also. So Tata Com 1400 call option. Let me try it. What happened? What is that? Wait just a second. Tata Communication is started by 1407. Let me try it. Tata Communications 1400 call option. Just we see it, 1400 Tata Communication. Is that right? So that was, yeah, it never give you opportunity. Sorry, open here. Opening itself, it's showing you 110 and 144. To try it out. So Tata Communication, let me try check it out. Okay, sorry, Tata Communication, it started by 14111. So let me try with it. This option is not giving you opportunity. Tata Communication 1420 call option. That was not trading well. So there is no opportunity. Even if you are trying to Tata Communication, it is the opening itself, the first 15 minutes itself, it's showing in the top and as well as the bottom. So I think I am disconnected my internet, so that's why it's not updated. Let's wait. So this is not giving you opportunity because 144 above only we are going to buy, and finally it is coming to 98. Whether I'm right or wrong, so let's try it. Okay, it's not good. So on the third stock is IDFC. So today IDFC, where it is started by 58. So let me try about IDFC 60 call option. It's near about 58. So 60 call option, that is also not giving you opportunity on 15 minutes time frame. It made high of 6.2. Let's try it. Tata Communication 1400. Yeah, that is not working. Tata Communication. So IDFC 60 call option, where it is, yeah, opening itself it's showing the highest level of 6.2. Whenever it breaks above the 6.2, we may try to take an entry opportunity, but there is no opportunity on this particular stock. And third one is Idea. The fourth one is Idea, which is started by 14 rupees. So let's see, but I'm not going to take this kind of very least value stock. But even if you check that Idea, it is high was 1 rupee 65 paisa. I think the lot size is very big for Idea, almost 70,000. So don't take such a big risky trade. So it is about 1.65 with the stop loss of 1.3. So it is giving you such a breakout around 230. So from that it went up to 2.3. So somewhere around 1.62, 65 to 2.3, something about 50 paisa. That is what, more than 35,000 this particular. So I don't want to take such a kind of very small value stock. So I will apply the filter of the stock only above 100 rupees. So it will filter out the stocks, even it is only Titan. Around if you check that, what is the stock which is present in the only two stocks. First one is Titan and Tata Communications. But Tata Communication is not showing you right. Let me try Tata Communication. 1460. Let me try it out. It is a ATM option. 1460. That option not. I think that that particular option is not trading with a good volume. So that's why it's showing you. But that 1460 strike price, where it is showing the breakout around 56. Yeah. Now this strike price only we have seen in earlier. So this is what the entry level. So almost 56 to 40. It went up to somewhere around 120 nearby. So that is what more than double, almost 108 is the maximum price for that particular thing. So that one is a 110 is the high. From the first 15 minutes high is 56. So these two stocks were generated in the early morning, right after market open. But after some times later, we have some stocks that we see this particular point. So initially we have a two stocks, but this point of time we have around 11 o'clock we have a third stock that is called a Torrent Pharma. So Titan and Tata Communication, it is already present every time frame, right? But the initial stage where we are going to take a trade opportunity, the first time when the scanner will print the stock, so that is what the real entry time. Okay, so whenever you see around 11 o'clock Titan, so don't go for that, because the first candle only the Titan and the Tata Communication, and after that it is keep on moving. So that's why the stock is trading on the same on the printed on the screen. And the third around 11 o'clock we got a Torrent Pharma. So Torrent Pharma we are not going to focus in the starting. So Torrent Pharma we should take only 11 o'clock closing, 11 o'clock price. Torrent Pharma, let me save it. So first of all we will find out a strike price for the stock. So it is around sorry, just we hide it. 7 here, Torrent Pharma. Let me check. It started by 3,182 today's opening. So but 11 o'clock it is coming to the screener. So that time we are seeing the market went up to 3,257 and the starting price is 3,200. But I have taken opening price, so the real round number strike price should be 3,200. So let me try with 3,200. Torrent Pharma, we will add the chart. $3,200 call. So this is what the exact 11 o'clock time frame. So where we got it from 162 to 133. So 133 should be the stop loss. Whenever 162 should whenever broken, so we should entry. It is happening around 230, 162, and it went up to 177. So somewhere are giving you 15 points profit. And then finally we see there is a peak, but the same stock will be continuous. Only 3 stock we got for opportunity. So apart from the less value stock of Idea and other stock. So this is the method where we can easily filter out. So using intraday option breakout trade. So this is for a opportunity which I'm going to give you for my 6,000 subscribers there who are giving me such a great support. So that is what something of opportunity where I'm going to do it. And thanks for doing with me, and keep subscribing. If you have any questions or a doubt for this session, you can comment on the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.